Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SOFI on November 27th, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here on pre-market hours, at $15.56. And my main assumption at this very point was that you shouldn't enter your long position, because if this asset goes higher, the movement will not break this yellow line in the range of about $16.44. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point and I told you that we have to see the retracement. Guys, take a look right here. We retested $16.44, and for now we have the first engulfing candle right after the heading man, another bearish candle, and this engulfing candle has much higher volume than any candle for the previous week, and we are starting to tick to the downside. And this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and let's take a look again at its price section. If I zoom out to a daily time frame, you can see that this asset gained a lot of profits from the very beginning of August, when the sell-off because of the carry trades in Japan happened. And from this point, this asset gained about 100 and almost 170% to its value. And definitely, guys, nothing can go to the upside infinitely. That is why this retracement should happen, and in just several minutes I will show you what should we expect next. But for now, guys, let's take a look at its fundamentals. If we take a look at its list of institutional investors, you can see that they have the highest level ever of institutional ownership of their stocks. This means more and more institutional investors want to have SOFI in their investment portfolios. On top of that, guys, I would say for now we can cautiously make a conclusion that the price section from this list, the actions of this list are not so positive, despite the fact that there is a lot of green rows. You have to keep in mind that this was the filing date, not the deal execution dates. And if you click on each and every green row, you can see that their previous filings, as you can see, they had 582,144 shares as of September the 30th of 2024. So this means IWF bought these shares. They basically opened their position somewhere before September the 30th. And since then, guys, they pretty much doubled their position. As you can see, they purchased it for the value of about $4.5 million, and for now they have more than $9 million in value. That is why, guys, some of these funds might sell these shares in foreseeable future. And that is why, guys, because of this quite lagging indicator, we have to be cautious with any of long positions. So, and let's take a look at the general sentiment of the SOFI stock. If you if you type in Google search bar SOFI stock and switch to new stuff folder, you can see that we have a lot of quite bullish news. But take a look right here. We have an update from JP Morgan. And if you take a look right here, wait a second, according to marketbeats.com, JP Morgan and Chase boosted the price target from $9 to $16, but they set the neutral rating. And this means they don't expect to hit the level above $16. And this means, guys, for now, we've already hit this range and we are slightly below this level. This means potentially we might see the trend continuation, especially If you take a look right here, you can see that JP Morgan kept neutral rating on SOFI, and right after that SOFI stock fell 0.3% to $16.39, and for now we are even below this level. That is why, guys, I highly encourage you not to enter your long position, because of a lot of technical indicators are screaming about its overbought condition. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, guys, first of all, according to Elliott wave theory, we've completed 5 waves, and yes, we can have several extensions in the 5th wave, and we can basically make a legitimate count out of these waves, despite the fact that in general the top might already be right here. And on top of that, we have an extremely high level of RSI. And from this point, guys, take a look at this counter. You can see that at this point, RSI was at 83.96 points. Here is 83.44 points. And here is 83.31 points. So we have lower highs, not so by a margin, but we can easily identify that this top is higher than this one, and this one is higher than this one. At the same time, guys, let's clean the chart a little bit. We have higher highs on the price action. This means we have triple confirmation of bearish divergence. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. The MACD indicator is losing its momentum. Each and every next spike of green bars is lower than the previous one. This means it is losing its momentum. On top of that, from this positive side, first positive crossover of these two moving averages, we have one wave. Wait a second, I will show you how we can count these waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and potentially it is the entire structure to the upside that has basically that is completed, because we have more and more diminishing momentum on this chart. And on top of that, guys, take a look right here. This corresponds for 100%, this bottom corresponds for 100% with my Elliott wave count on this structure. Here you can see that the top of our wave is right here, the top of our third wave. The top of our third wave is right here, then retracement to the fourth one, and the top of the 5th wave. And yes, we have a lot of signs of its potential trend reversal. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. According to RSI, first of all, on the weekly time frame, we have the first week that is lower than the previous one. We have the first attempt to break or to at least retest the border in between overbought and neutral territory right here. On top of that, guys, we have the first bar that has the lower momentum than the previous one. On top of that, guys, according to candlestick analysis, we have a hanging man at the top of this movement. And all of these signs, guys, leads me to just one conclusion, that the trend reversal is extremely close. And what will be the confirmation of its trend reversal? First of all, guys, take a look on hourly time frame. Let me show you like this. We have to start to break its previous bottoms. These minor previous retracements. When it happens, the major retracement that will confirm the movement to the downside is this one, the range of about $13. When it breaks it, and I have no doubts that we have to see lower prices for SOFI in the medium-term perspective, it will be a confirmation of the retracement itself. So, and that is why, guys, I don't encourage you to enter your short position, because we are in general in the bull market. At the same time, guys, I don't encourage you to enter your long position. But if you want to rebalance your portfolio, it is time to do it. You cannot and you shouldn't trim your position for 100%, but just do it incrementally. If at this point you can trim by just 10 or 15%, if it goes higher, trim another 10 to 15%, and that is how you will have the best outcome for this price action, and you will have more chances to re-enter at lower levels in the long-term perspective. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby,